great, it's a grey one. Yeah, that's done.
I'm ready.
So one of the things that makes the sports management course here unique is its proximity to London. So London is an epicentre of sports venues and sports events, and it really enables us to connect with local organisations and provide really tangible industry opportunities to get our students involved and into the industry.
The sport management course is special at St Mary's because of our focus on vocational and the practical aspects and getting students ready to work in the sports industry.
It's a very healthy mix of business studies and sports, and it gives you a great foundation of business knowledges, and you walk away with a business degree.
Do you have a favourite module that you...
Oh, I do. It's managing sports events. I really enjoy this module. Like, it's at 9 AM on Friday, and I just run to it. Like, it's my favorite lecture ever.
We work with a lot of organisations, local organisations, governing bodies, etc., to work on a one-to-one basis in providing opportunities for our students to get involved through placements, guest lecturing, or even go and attend their organisations for field trips.
It was always the biggest dream of mine to be part of the Olympics. So I got a job there, which was extremely exciting. I spent 3 months in Paris working for the organizing committee. The energy of being there, it was just amazing. Like, it feels like a dream because it didn't feel real at all. And like, still when I think back, it feels like it never happened to me.
Practical and real-world experience is what we're all about. So you're unlikely to be doing many exams at all, and most of the assessments are based on real-world skills. And so the idea really is to get yourself ready for the world of work, and the assessments are aligned with that idea as well.
If I had to describe my experience in St Mary's in 3 words, I would say it's interesting, beautiful, and challenging.
Oh, you just squeezed it in before the play.